The next feature we will talk about is delay between stations. This is a feature that allows you to put a delay time in between the operation of stations to allow, for example, a well to replenish. It's also a very handy feature if you have very slow closing valves because it gives some time in between zones for the last valve to shut off before the new one turns on. To program a station delay, turn the dial to Advanced Features, press the down arrow button to select Station Delay, and press the plus button to access it. Notice that this delay is set by program. Use the plus or minus button to program a delay between stations. This delay can be programmed from 1 second to 9 hours. Another advanced feature is the no water window. This is an option that allows you to program in a block of time, say 11 to 1 in the middle of the day, and the controller will not allow any irrigation to occur. This is a feature that's done by program. From the Advanced Features dial position, press the down arrow button to select No Water Window, and use the plus button to select. Here you can program the start time at 11 a.m. using the plus button. Then use the down arrow button to select the end time and program 1 p.m. We'll go backwards with the minus button as it'll be faster. If someone has accidentally programmed automatic irrigation that would run into the lunch period, it will be suspended by the controller with the no water window setting. Another feature of the iCore controller is the Easy Retrieve function. It allows you to save an entire controller setup of information in the programming. To store the schedule you just programmed, turn the dial to Advanced Features. Press the down arrow button until you select Easy Retrieve and press the plus button to select. To save, press the plus button and hold it to confirm. It'll take just a few seconds and the schedule will be saved. In the future, if someone changes your schedule, you can restore the schedule you saved by selecting Restore with the down arrow, pressing the plus button to access it, and holding the plus button to confirm. This will bring back your original programming. To get out of any selection, you can always press the back arrow button. The next feature down the list of advanced feature is total watering time. By pressing the plus button, you will see the total run time per start time for each individual program. If we go back to the main screen, the next function down is Erase All. If we press the plus button, we will be prompted to hold the plus button to confirm that we want to erase all the information that has been programmed into our controller. This puts the controller back to the out-of-the-box condition so we can reprogram from the beginning. Down the list, we'll find LCD Adjust, which allows you to adjust the contrast of the display up and down. Finally, we have the Flow Totalizer. This allows you to see the total gallons or liters of water used due to automatic programs, manual starts, and even leaks. The Flow Totalizer function is a good feature that allows you to keep track of the water usage for a month or an entire year. For example, you'll have two odometers, trip A and trip B, and you can reset those at will, leaving trip B, for example, to reset every month, and leaving trip A to reset at the beginning of the year to chart your usage for the entire year. It's not by station, it's two individual odometers. To reset a starting point, select the point you want to reset and hold the plus button for a few seconds. So next we'll talk about the SolarSync delay. And this is a function that allows you to set up all your selections in the SolarSync, but not have it come active until the number of days that you've chosen. If you want to program a SolarSync delay, turn the dial to Advanced Features and press the down arrow button multiple times until you select SolarSync delay at the end of the second page. Press the plus button to access it, and here you will be able to set a delay from 0 to 99 days before the SolarSync takes over control of the seasonal adjustment. During this delay, you can tell the controller what percentage you want the seasonal adjustment to run at. This feature is useful when you have a newly planted landscape and you want the grass to establish before SolarSync takes control. For example, you could set the delay to 30 days and set the percentage to water during the delay to 90%. After the 30-day grow and delay running at 90%, the SolarSync adjustment would take over and adjust watering for the local conditions.